gender, basta lalaki. Basta wag lang bading, no? Lalaki ka. Welcome to the world, baby.
Hello, I'm your Ninang Jill and I think it's a boy. Kasi matagal ko na ginasabi sa kanya na boy yan siya. As in 100% boy. So, it's a boy. Yes.
Hi, this is Tito Dan. I think you're a boy or girl. Pwede kong bading.
Hi, Rudy and Alvin. I am Ninang Erica.
Ninong Froy.
And
Ang ginaisip na mo is lalaki ang baby.
yes, walay daghang storya.
Lalaki. Para
Lalaki.
diretso na rides.
Yes.
Hi, I'm your Nang Kat. I'm your Nang And I think you're a girl.
You're a boy.
Girl.
Kahit ano, basta
Girl.
lalaki.
It's a girl.
It's a boy.
It's a girl.
Bye.
Hi to my future inaanak. For me, I think it's a girl because being girl is special, beautiful, and kind. And I hope to see you soon. Bye. God bless.
Hi, I'm your Ninang Lovely and I think it's a boy.
Hello, I'm Ninang Jermina and my guest gender reveal is girl.
Hi to my future inanak. I think it's a boy because boys are resilience and a strong man, a strong personality, and hope to see you soon, inanak.
Hi future inaanak, I hope to see you soon. I'm your future ninong and I think you are a boy because being a boy is tough and pogi. Liwat kay papa nimo. Thank you. God bless.
Hi, good morning. Congrats dahil sa inyong mabuti na baby. Ako ang guest na dahil sa gender sa inyong baby kay babae. Kay wala naglisingag ng ilong si mong partner. Charot lang. Anyway, God bless. Congrats.
It's Ninang Irene. I think you are a baby boy.
Hi, I'm Ninong Kenneth. I think you are a boy.
Ako dahil si Carlos Daniel and Jola. Kundi lang yun ako ni Migo si Alvin. Bali yun ako ni Moon yung video ba. So, maingon lang na po is punta ang gender sa inyo anak is lalaki. Para makasabay ng tagay. Yan lang, peace out.